Hello, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Tillman for Lesson 3 with Wilsons. Let's get started. We're going to do it together today. A, apple, A. B, bat, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. E, ed, E. F, fun, F. G, ging, G. H, hat, H. I, itch, I. J, jug, J. K, kite, K. L, lamp, L. M, man, M. N, nut, N. O, octopus, O. P, pan, P. Q, queen, Qu. R, rat, R. S, snake, S. Lower it down. Give me 1 second. There we go. T, top, T. U, up, V, van, V. W, wind, W. X, fox, X. Y, yellow, Y. Z, zebra, Z. Now let's go on to our letters. Let's do the consonants first. Let's do the yellow ones first. B, bat, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. F, fun, F. G, game, G. H, hat, H. J, jug, J. K, kite, K. L, lamp, L. M, man, M. N, nut, N. P, pan, P. Q, queen, Qu. R, rat, R. S, snake, S. T, top, T. V, van, V. W, wind, W. X, fox, X. Y, yellow, Y. Z, zebra, Z. Okay, now to the vowels. A, apple, A. E, ed, E. I, itch, I. O, octopus, A. U, up, So now I'm going to make a word, and you're going to try to read the word before I say the word. Okay, here we go. Fog. Fog. Did you get it? Next one. Beginning sound. Middle. Ending. Rib. Rib. How'd you do? Did you get it? Okay, next one. The beginning, middle, and I hope you're noticing all the middle ones are vowels. They're the pink ones. And the ending. Here we go. Sob. 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 Sob is when you cry. Okay, next one. Beginning. Middle. End. Ready? Shh. Job, job, job. Okay, we got two more. Beginning, middle, and now I'm going to put the end. Dot, dot, dot. All right, and our last and final one for you to sound out. Here we go. Lid. Lid. How did you do? All right, boys and girls, it is now time for you to get a piece of paper and a pencil, and you're going to dictate, you're going to write down the words that I say to you. So first, put a number 1, like this, and then we are going to write the word sip. Let's tap it out. Sip, 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 sip. All right, try to write it. Okay, now, Ms. Toman, write it. Check your work. If you made a mistake, correct it. S-I-P spells sip. All right, now, write number 2 underneath. Our next word is log. Let's tap it out. Log. 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 All right, you try it. All right, here you go. Check your work. If you did it correct, great job. If you didn't, that's okay. Just fix it. L-O-G spells log. Okay, now we're on to number 3. So underneath that, write the number 3 with a period. Looks like this. Then I want you to write the word net. Let's tap it out. N-et. Net. N-et. Net. You try it. Het. Okay, here you go. Check your work. Net is N-E-T. Net. If you did it right, great job. If not, keep trying and fix it. All right, we're now on to number 4. Okay, number 4. Now I want you to write the word, or tap out the word wrap. Ready? Wrap. 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 All right, you try. Okay, here we go. Right, wrap. Now check your work. If you did it right, great job. If not, just correct it. All right, now we're on to our last and final word, number 5. Please write number 5 underneath that word. And let's write the word lip. Ready? Ip. Lip. Ip. Lip. Okay, here you go. Check your work. If you did it good job. If not, just fix your work. All right, boys and girls, what I'd like you to do is have your parents take a picture of your paper and send it over to me so I can check your work. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.